First, it starts with a great discovery. It's a vaccine against cancer, potentially all cancers. PDC Line Pharma is currently a Belgian clinical stage biotech focused on developing therapeutic cancer vaccines. But it started here. Grenoble is a French city just 4 hours by train from Paris. The city is the home of the French blood bank, the EFS. Here is a quick timeline. In the early 2000s, Dr. Plumont, co-founder and CSO of PDC Line, was the head of the research unit entitled Immunobiology and Cancer Immunotherapies at EFS, when he and his team developed the first human cell line of plasmacytoid dendritic cell origin, PDC line, for stimulating anti-tumor immunity. 11 years later, the first in-human feasibility clinical trial using PDC line as a cancer vaccine was conducted for the treatment of melanoma patients. And in 2014, PDC Line Pharma SAS was founded in Grenoble. In 2016, to benefit from the strong cell therapy and financial ecosystem in Wallonia, the company's decision-making center was transferred to Liège, Belgium, with the creation of PDC Line Pharma SA, the parent company of the French entity. The headquarters, including the clinical team and new lab, were hosted at the Liège University Hospital, with access to a large range of shared state-of-the-art scientific equipment. PDC Line is now an international clinical stage company that brings together a highly skilled and complementary team of 33 persons, cutting-edge infrastructure, and an ecosystem of top-tier partners. Our lab in Grenoble continues to perform basic research on the mechanism of action of the technology. The headquarters will be relocated in mid-2023 to an independent 1,400 square meter space at Legia Park, a brand new business center dedicated to hosting life science biotechnology companies. PDC Line Pharma will set up its own GMP manufacturing facility to produce cancer vaccines for the next clinical trials. PDC Lung, our vaccine candidate for the treatment of non-small cell lung cancer, is currently in clinical trial, in association with checkpoint inhibitors in 64 patients enrolled in 5 European countries. Importantly, PDC Neo, our second pipeline candidate, is a personalized cancer vaccine currently in preclinical development. Let us continue our efforts to complete these 2 cancer vaccines and develop others based on our potent PDC Line platform.